Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is week 6 check-in. So this week is really interesting. I think you're going to learn a lot about APA style, and this is really important for our upcoming research paper. So take your time in reviewing the videos and going over this, because I think it's going to be helpful for you in the future, not just in this class but in future classes. This is Healthcare Writing 101. This is how you write research papers for healthcare institutions and also on the educational side of things. So take a look at this in a lot of detail. Make sure you come up with a topic for your paper. There's no right or wrong answer. However, it needs to be something in healthcare. So if you want to research something that you don't study every day, that's totally fine. If you want to research polio or some of the impacts of diseases out there, that's fine. Just make sure it's about healthcare. Of course, you have the PowerPoint presentation here. Here's a sample paper, just something that I included from one of my past classes. Link to Google Scholar, because you'll need that for the Google Scholar video, an APA video right here where I go over the details of APA and how to write in that kind of style, and then how to do your research via Google Scholar, which is very easy, simple, and user-friendly. Week 6 review is also due this week. Cruising right along. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Appreciate all you're doing, and I look forward to learning more with you and also seeing your paper very soon.